Kakasilaw yung isa, oh. Sobrang puti. Sobrang puti ay silaw. Kakasilaw, boy. Hindi siya maklaro sa sobrang puti ba. Yun yun sa poste. Para alam mo poste eh. You know? Diyan natin tutok natin yan dyan. Para kitang kita ba. Pickleballs. Sige, Lods. Thank you. Focus sa nakaitim. Focus. Ayun, sa nakaitim. Ayun, nakaitim ba? O, nakaitim na short. Sige, thank you, Lods. Thank you, salamat. Ayun o, sinusundan to lang yun. Natakpan na siya. Thank you so much, Sister Gardening. Ang puti na isa, hindi mo kita, oh. Silaw. Grabe silaw, no? Sana all maputi. If the world was end, then I'm gonna be next to you. I wanna hold you just for a while, and time with a smile. If the world was end, then I'm gonna be next to you. Lost in the words that we scream. Whenever you go, that's where I follow. I know that it's from this tomorrow. So I know it's last night. If the world was end, I'm gonna be next to you. If the photo was so far, and then time on earth was true, I wanna hold you just for a while, and time with a smile. If the world was end, then I'm gonna be next to you. Right next to you. Send the words that we scream.